So now in this video we will add shooting sounds to our player and to our player AIs. So for that, let's open up the player script and right down below let's add a header by the name of sound effects. In here we need a reference to the audio source. Let's name this as audio source as well. Oops. Okay, and after that we need a reference to our shooting sounds. We will say public audio clip and let's name this as shooting sound. Okay, after this actually we will need to cut this from here because for the shooting we have a different script which is the rifle script. So open that up and then paste it down below. And then let's scroll down to the shoot function, and right here when we play the mother spark, let's also play the shooting sound as well. So we will say audio source dot play one shot, and we want to play the shooting sound. Now if we save this, get back to Unity, click on player and body and then Tommy gun mesh. Okay, it needs the audio source of the player, so drag and drop the player game object in there and it will automatically select the audio source. Now let's add the audio. So we will add this audio to the player. Okay, so click on Tommy gun mesh. Let's drag and drop that in there. That's it. Let's play the game. And now whenever we shoot it will play the sound. As you can see. You can try adding different sounds if you want. For example, this sound. As you can see, you can add this one as well if you want. Now let's add shooting sounds to our player AIs as well, but before that we will need to add the reloading sound to our player. Okay, so for that, simply on the rifle script after this shooting sound, let's create a reference to our reloading sound, and then if we scroll down right here we will need to add the audio. So after this reloading animation we will say audio source dot play one shot, and we want to play the reloading sound. That's it. Save it, get back to Unity and select the Tommy gun mesh again and just simply drag and drop the reloading sound right there. Save the game. Let's play it and let's see the sound now. Now as you can see it plays the reloading sound, and you can notice the difference between the audio. If we shoot it from this position, you can notice the sound it is a little bit lower. Now if we shoot in the focus mode, it is now a lot more louder. Okay, so it looks really good. So we have added the reloading sound and the gun sound. Now in the next video we will add sound effects to our player AIs. Okay, the shooting sound. So catch you guys in the next one.